The great tragedy of wasting time on the wrong project is not doing something else. This is called opportunity cost, but as with most errors, the damage is not limited to first-order effects. The tragedies that this central tragedy spawns include losing the people who should have been doing something else, who wanted to do something else but had to choose between a waste of time at a job they worked hard to attain or leaving for a chance at doing something more productive. These people dislike being faced with this choice, so you have to screw up pretty badly to make this happen. How do you screw up that badly? You lead with your ego. You decide to take risks that are inadvisable. You impose ideas on a project because you want to make a mark. You want to build a monument to yourself, like a pyramid or a pyramid-shaped truckish thing. The direct effect of opportunity cost in developing a pickup-ish product that isn't even quite on target for men who need to compensate is that you don't get to find out what comes after the very successful Model 3 platform. That's sad for us, but imagine working at Tesla for 12 years, culminating in developing Model 3 prototypes, and then finding out the next big thing was drawn by a 4-year-old in crayon. Who am I talking about? A guy named Alan Clark, who for the past 2 years has been running a so-called skunkworks project at Ford to develop a next-generation EV platform. The real opportunity cost of making Cybertruck is you lose a team leader who was not only instrumental in developing the top-selling EV platform, he was working on race cars at Honda and has a background in composite materials for cars. You can bet he wants to see what comes after the Model 3, and he has a head start. Don't rejoice yet, though. A company like Ford that has its own problems selling electric pickup trucks can screw up just about anything. Legacy car companies are addicted to the high margins that ridiculous, gigantic trucks have delivered for the past 20 years. Making an efficient sedan is something Ford explicitly tried to get out of the business of doing, and yet that's what the world actually needs. So good luck to Alan Clark.